Hello, engineers. I welcome you people on the platform of Learn with Engineer Waqas Ahmed. In today's video, I'm going to help you people how to manage your petrochemical industry EPC projects. So this video is going to help you people to develop concepts of planning and control engineering. Either you are fresh engineer, mid career level engineer, or senior level engineer. This video is going to help you a lot to start or to develop your job career in project management. So let's start. Before getting into Primavera P6, I want you people to develop your concepts about EPC industry and specifically if I talk about petrochemical industry. So here we are. You can see we have three major departments. There is one design phase, and after this design phase you will have their drop down here procurement phase, and then we have construction phase. So your basic template would be, as for other EPC industry projects, would be design phase, procurement, and construction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up WBS window. So we have to add these three basic level WBS. Okay, design phase or engineering phase, procurement, and then construction phase. Okay, so after having this basic template, what you need to understand over here that as of our basic knowledge of petrochemical industry, we know that whenever we are going to define a EPC project design phase of this petrochemical industry, we are going to have civil construction designs, in which we have site preparation plan, foundation design, structural designs, drainage and sewerage design, and after that the major one is mechanical design. Okay, and if we'll move ahead, mechanical design is the major WBS would be there in design phase, piping design, process design, electrical designs, and instrumentation designs. So these are the basic things. In every petrochemical EPC project, the inclusion of these sub WBS phases would be the mandatory thing. So after this, what you are going to do, I'm going to share with you guys over here. You have to add all these stages in this phase, in engineering phase, one by one. How to do that? Just click on engineering and right click on this one, and here you will come up with civil design. Okay, and then again mechanical designs, and after that you can see I will add all these things are done. Okay, so this is the basic template of WBS for this petrochemical industry. I will go into the details of all these things. Okay, don't worry about anything. So now I will equip my project with procurement different phases. I have to buy out civil procurement, mechanical procurement, piping procurement process, electrical and instrumentation. So I have one other tip for you people that what you can do, same thing, procurement. I should go for bulk items, long lead items. Further, I can long lead, because all these things which are going to take extra time would be called long lead items, and then bulk items. Okay, bulk items. So this is I'm actually helping you people how to prepare a project management template for EPC petrochemical industry project. So same in construction phase, I will be sharing this template with you people in construction phase. Now it is going to be very laborious. So what you need to do, you have to incorporate this civil procurement, mechanical procurement, same thing like this way in your under procurement. During your project, I'm going to tell you one thing more important, that procurement is actually dealing with the process to buy, to arrange your material and resources for your project utilization. So it require a lot of consultation, project meetings with your project management team, client, consultant to categorize are your subject matter expert people opinion, so that you can categorize that which item go into the long lead items. Usually your items which will take extra time, long time to get on your project site will be labeled as long lead items, and which other material which will be readily available in the market and will take shorter time will be called bulk item. So on the basis of this nature of the availability of that product, you can categorize your procurement of these all items, and further you can incorporate what items would be under long lead items and what items would be under bulk items. You got it? Now I will be sharing with you people over here. See, in construction phase, you can see that these are the major things I can incorporate over here, and I you can see over here the breakdown as well. Construction phase, site preparation and mobilization. So like this, we are going to incorporate all of our deliverables in our WBS in Primavera P6 to prepare our EPC project template. So here you can find out it's a basic EPC template in which I have incorporated all the design parameters. Procurement, I have guided you how to do that, and the construction one by one from this template. Okay. So next onward, you are going to incorporate all other things like in civil design, there is site preparation plan, foundation plans, structural design, but it depends. Again, I will recommend you people whenever you are going to be part of any project management team, you have to conduct meetings, because meeting and your project contracts, these are the major guidelines which will help you people that how to spread this template. This is the basic template in which you are going to have. I will share Primavera P6 dashboard in activities window. First time, refresh. This is your basic template. Procurement, it will require that how much breakdown you require for this project. Civil design, what are the basic items in civil, mechanical, piping, electrical, process, instrument design. You are going to make one list for that. Okay, list for these all items. Then next step, you are going to categorize or label them. Either they are long lead or bulk items. Okay, these are the major things. Okay, then you have to incorporate under these WBS. Site preparation and mobilization, I will be sharing with you people over here. See, site preparation over, see, I'm talking about construction phase. So in construction phase over here, you can have, this is site preparation. So these would be activities. Under construction phase, there is work package, site preparation and mobilization, and now you are making your activities like this. I'm not going to do that task because it will take a lot of time. It is laborious thing. So I'm giving you the concept. So these are actually activity level kind of things. So basically the concept is that you, whenever you are going to make your project template, you are going to make your scope statement on Primavera P6, what actually you are going to make your project. This is project level. Then with the help of your top to bottom, this is the technique, top to bottom. This is technique you are going to adopt while breaking down your project. So project into engineering, procurement and construction. So engineering, procurement, construction, this is WBS level. Then further WBS would be broken down into multiple levels in which you can define deliverable level. Okay. And then work package level. And then further work package is project lowest level, and work package would be broken down into the activity level. So activity is basically the destination of a planning engineer. So this is activity. If I'll define activity, activity is project lowest level. At this level, you are going to define how much work you have to do. On the basis of this work quantum, how much time it will require to complete, how many resources you require to do that work, how much cost you need to incur to complete that work, and what is the logic of that work. So that is activity level. So it's very easy after incorporation of this WBS or work package in Primavera P6. Now you are going to make your further activities like clearing and grubbing over here. Okay. And after clearing and grubbing, site surveying and layout. After that, keep on adding all these things. So one by one, when you are going to add up all these things, temporary facilities and site offices, okay, like this way, safety and signage, because this is petrochemical industry, hydrocarbons and critical equipment is there. So you need to make safety equipment as well. And then you are going to make share over here. Just give me a moment. Mobilization and equipment material. Before arrival of equipment, you make sure the safety of environment. Okay. So same like civil and structural works. I'll be sharing this one, civil and structural works. You can excavation and earthworks, and then you can further divide civil and structural works into zone because you have a layout. You got my point? You can conduct meetings because this is your area of petrochemical industry. So civil works for which zone? Maybe this zone A, B, C, and D. So further you have to divide your this for which area you are going to work for excavation and earthwork foundation for which zone area. So you can further divide this area into the further more precise planning and all that. Okay, you got it. And then mechanical installations, equipment and machinery placement. So it is a general layout. So mechanical installation, you can specify mechanical equipments. Either it is boiler, it is separator, it is vessel. You can further break down this mechanical installation into the specified vessel name by name. Maybe it is boiler, okay, by size, by spec, by layout, preference. You can further make this uh, work package into maybe there are mechanical items 10 equipments you want to put in that petrochemical industry. So this will multiply with 10 work packages. Every work package, maybe this boiler one, there is heat exchanger, there are columns, there are flare lines. You got my point? Same pipe installation. This is the basic template. So maybe your pipe installation will multiply like 10 more work packages. Why? Your pipe 2-inch dia will carry another work package 3-inch dia. There is specification in petrochemical industry. Okay, so that's how it's going to work on. So moving on to the next, electrical and instrumentation. Same way, these are the basic templates you are going to make in Primavera P6. And as long civil and structural works, you are going into the WBS and you are going to make breakdown over here. See, civil and structural works, it is like zone A, okay, zone A, zone B, and never ever forget about the thing that there is a complete project management team, your stakeholder engagement plans. You have to conduct meeting. If there is something not clear to you, you have to conduct meetings, consult with your documents, and you can come up with a clear point that how I have to make my project scheduling. So like this, see in activities window, you can see how it is. Now, what you are going to do, civil and structural works for zone A, and further you can divide zone A. First, what you are going to make, because you have to define what are actually, maybe there are foundation 1, foundation 2, foundation 3. How to do that one? See, foundation 1 as per drawing label. See, in drawing, maybe there is written like this one. And so I think this little exercise will help you people how to make that one. Huh? See, and like this you can. And now foundation, further you can incorporate activities. Zone A, civil and structure works, site construction. All these WBS are called deliverables, whereas the lowest WBS is work package. So under this work package, you are going to define your activities. You got my point? And under see, I will be sharing with you like this over here. Here is civil, excavation and earthwork, foundation construction, pipe. So you are going to make all these things. So you have to consult with your team as per BOQ. If I talk about with the documentation, BOQ designs and contract documents. So documentation is one way to get clarity about your scope of work. And the other important thing, first thing is project documents, and the second most important thing is people, meeting with people, with your client stakeholder engagement. These both things will help you to clear your scope of work. So that's how you are going to make your project EPC petrochemical industry template. See, this is basic. I can further break down. It will take maybe 1, 2, 3 hours to further break down it one. But I wanted to deliver you people a basic concept from a very basic level, that how to prepare EPC petrochemical industry template on Primavera P6. Further on, you have to incorporate. This is what we are doing. We are in planning phase and we are doing scope management. After scope, we are supposed to make time management. After that, cost management, then resource management, then risk management, and then further you are going to integrate all these areas to develop your project CPM, to develop your project risk report, to develop your project resource management plan, to develop your project S curves or cash flows, to make your project planning package or baseline to submit with your client. So if you are interested in more learning with Engineer Waqas Ahmed, you can join my upcoming live webinar. And after that, you can join my whole session to learn planning control. Either you are civil engineer, electrical, mechanical, petrochemical, industrial. I will facilitate you people to become a good and expert planning engineer using Primavera P6 with real industry concepts and all that. See you in my upcoming live webinar. Thank you very much.